It's just your fascia, your body's connective tissue, the bridge between what you're carrying and what you're aware of that you're carrying. If you're feeling tight, bound up, stressed out, testy, achy, undecided, disconnected, or at odds with your body and mind, those sensations are signals from your body, from your fascia. Let's take a few minutes from right where you are and tune in so you can hear what's signaling. Feel yourself. Notice, simply notice what your body is doing. Let's not overcomplicate this because it's really quite simple. And so play along with me. And you can see how easy it is. Are you sitting or standing? Are your feet on the ground or is your butt in the seat? Are you multitasking? Or are you spacing out scrolling through YouTube? Is your brain moving fast or are you trying to numb out? Where are you in your day? Are you breathing? Like intentionally breathing. Go ahead. Let's take one full deep breath. How is your day today? You have a full plate? Are you feeling kind of spacious? Your body is responding to all of this input. Before you've got any of this figured out, your body is already in motion, sorting out which direction it needs to go. And so this may feel like tension or energy or something you're trying to disregard. Your body is clocking it all. Sometimes the body is complicated, and that is true. But oftentimes, simply checking inward, noticing what your body is doing can bring you back to a reality at home in your body, back to yourself, allowing yourself to feel a bit more grounded and connected. And so here, stay focused on what you're noticing. Let those signals come up. And if we haven't met yet, I'm Rainey. I am a cheerleader for your body. I am a fan of fascia, and I encourage movement and awareness through a therapeutic lens so you don't feel like a foreign invader has taken you over. You don't feel like a stranger in your own skin. While we're not getting on the mat in this video, there are loads of follow-along videos on this channel for you to choose from. But here, this is just a chance to catch your body's signal. This will be a win if you find one sensation in your body that you can frame as information, data even, communication, right? So your head might be spinning. Your feet might be tired. Your back might be stiff or achy. You could be craving something sweet to eat. Maybe you're wanting a drink, feeling like it's time for a gummy. Perhaps you have a desire to move. Maybe you're biting your tongue so you don't offend someone, shoving a realization to the side that you don't want to deal with. Clock something. Let it land. You don't need to fix anything right now. Just acknowledge the signal. That's the message that you need to feel. That's the nudge from your body that's trying to get your attention. It's your body's intuition trying to give your mind the memo. You know, and the story that's woven around the signal might be complicated, but the signal itself isn't. We're talking about two different things here. And when you can separate the story from the body's signal, the signal becomes clear. Trust that.